Hi guys, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SATs type of a question in the topics of percents. Let's dive into it. There are three numbers in a set. One of the numbers is 35% less than the sum of the other two numbers. If the sum of the three numbers is 495, what is the value of R? It asked us. Now let's mark the important things. For example, three numbers. We got R given and 35% and 495. Now I know this can look tricky, but if you follow along, we will solve this together. Now, there are three numbers. They just told us about R. Now we can call the two other numbers X and Y, for example. So, I'm sorry for this. I wasn't supposed to. So, R plus X plus Y equals to 495. Now, there's another information that's given. R is 35% less than the sum of the other two numbers, which means 1 is a whole, right? I'll write this down here. So minus 35% is 0.35. That equals to, and on the SATs, digital SATs, you can use your calculator, which is probably like 0.65, but we can check anyway. Yeah, that's correct. Now this is an important information we need to find X plus Y. Now, right now, we have 0.65, open up a parentheses, X plus Y, close the parentheses, and then distribute that. X plus 0.65Y. And then plus X plus Y equals to 495. Now you will simplify this because you can put them together, which is 1.65 X plus 1.65 Y equals to 495. And now we can actually put up a parentheses again. X plus Y equals to 495. To cancel the 1.65 out, you will divide by 1.65 on both sides. Now, X plus Y, let me write this down in a different color. X plus Y, by the way, this equals to 300. So X plus Y equals to 300. It's not finished yet. Now, to find R, we just have to do 495 minus 300. They asked for R, so that's all right, which will give us 195. So R equals to 195. The choice B. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.